Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a whole baked cauliflower. It's keto, but it's a delicious recipe. It's easy to make, so I hope you keep watching. Today I'm going to make a whole baked cauliflower in the oven. And these are some of the ingredients I will be using. A lemon, some yogurt, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, thyme, cumin, paprika, mayo, sea salt, and black pepper. And here is my whole cauliflower. I cleaned off the green part of the cauliflower, so it's ready for me to get it ready to go in the oven. I have added a teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of paprika, so half a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, we're gonna mix that together, and this is gonna become a rub for this cauliflower. Okay, I have add a half a lemon to this mixture here. Okay, let me pull this over the cauliflower, and I'm gonna add it to it. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the pan that I'm gonna be cooking it in. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400 degrees. This is a delicious, gluten-free cauliflower dish. It's really easy to make, and it tastes just divine. Just really good. I'm gonna add just a little water to the pan so it can help it steam a little bit. I added about a 1/4 cup of water to the cauliflower. So I'm gonna put it in the 400-degree oven, and I'm gonna let it cook for 60 minutes. While the cauliflower is baking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my whole chicken for tomorrow. This is a 4.99 pound chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the bag. It was frozen, but it's unthawed now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this under the sink area so I can get rid of some of this water out of this package here and rinse it off. Okay, I rinsed out the chicken. But according to the food management program that I took quite a few years ago, you don't have to wash your chicken. You probably would end up spreading more germs than anything, but I did rinse it off because it was a lot of blood on it, and I want to make sure that I have a dry chicken before I add my seasoning to it. So I just dry it off, and then I want to cut away the excess fat. It's right in this area here. Okay, cut that off. I want to ensure that I take all of the items out of the inside of the chicken. I see the heart, the gizzard is here. They usually give you some liver, but in this chicken I don't feel any liver at all. So let me just dry it off again. I'm gonna season it for tomorrow, and it should really taste good. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna air fry it or bake it in the oven. What I'm gonna do is I have a tablespoon of black pepper, and I have a tablespoon and a half of salt. So I'm gonna just add it to the chicken all over. And this is like a dry brine that is gonna sit in overnight in the refrigerator. One thing about this brine is simple, but I tell you, your chicken will definitely taste delicious. It will not be missing any seasoning. And I'm putting it all inside of it, and also I'm adding a lemon. And that's it. I'm squeezing a lemon. And I'm gonna place it in a bag. See how easy that was to get your chicken prep for tomorrow. That's a really easy prep. And your family's gonna thank you for it because it's gonna taste delicious through and out. Wash your hands. And as you cook, you wanna be cleaning up behind yourself so you have a very neat counter workstation where you're working. When you work in a restaurant, you have 3 or 4 people working next to you, and their workstation is probably no larger than a cutting board. So you have to keep it neat and organized. And we'll go ahead and place this in the refrigerator. Some chicken from the salad over there. Go ahead and cut it. Go ahead and cut a piece. Oh, it's so nice and tender. I'll get a bite-sized piece because it is very hot. Oh, that is so delicious. You have to try this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. Oh boy, this cauliflower recipe is just fantastic. I love the taste of it. It's creamy, it's buttery. It just seasons just perfectly. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. That's so good. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.